Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error Bluetooth not showing in Device Manager Windows 11. To get started, you can go to the Bluetooth manufacturer's website to download and install the latest drivers. After this, right-click on Start and select Device Manager. When you access it, you will go to the Action menu and then click on the Scan for Hardware Changes option. You can see that after a moment, the Bluetooth will be visible in the manager. Then right-click on Start and click on Run. In this window, enter the on-screen command. After that, click Next. Wait a bit for the problems to be diagnosed. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. As you can see, this tool detected the Bluetooth error and scanned for hardware changes. Then it will be possible to see the solution provided by the utility. Upon completion, our Bluetooth device will be ready to use. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.